Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with YWigs. The first time I'm with this, I'm trying out this company and it has their website listed on here. So this is the packaging. It came in a drawstring bag, which I think is really cool because you can like use this bag to store stuff because they still sent a box. If you hear a little background noises, I'm sorry about that. Forgive me, there's some work going on in the house. So yeah, so the box comes branded with YWigs on the front as well. It has their website listed again. That's how it looks. Oh, excuse my little pinky being missing. I'll be doing my nails over soon because it's so much fun. They have been holding on. It's just this one that, you know, fell off. But if you didn't see this video of how I achieved this gorgeous nail look, you can go ahead and check it out now. It's live on my channel. So back to the wig. So as you can see, it's a little bit bent here. That's not my fault. You know how it is with the customs, as I explained to you guys before. So when I open it, this is what I see. So it's the wig first, and then inside the box we have this. I'm not sure what this is, and we got wig caps, so that's really cool. And we have an information card, which is the return and exchange policy card, and that's everything that came in the box for YWigs. So for the wig today, I'm very excited for this because guess what? I've tried short wigs before, like really short wigs, but I feel like I'm gonna know yet. This is 8-inch. This is an 8-inch wig, but we're gonna see because when I looked at it, yes, I took a peek. It looked like a pixie cut, you know. This is the wig construction. It has what? 3 combs on the inside. It has extra straps that they applied on the inside here. It has adjustable straps in the back. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my head, bruh. I don't need to use no mannequin. Well, I feel like I'm gonna, no, I don't need to use no mannequin for this today. I really don't. Because if I can just style it on my head. That's my hair, as in put on the wig cap and everything. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wig. Had to turn my fan on. It's so hot, guys. I'm so sorry for that extra noise. If you need to take off the inside straps, you can literally just detach it like this. It has the hooks, so bear that in mind. I'm going to detach mine. I don't feel like I need all that those straps. Inside is kind of like too much for me. Oi, yes, I see this wig being a bestseller. Come and no say enough woman love them short wig. Like this wig, it's like legit sucking on to my head. I ain't sure to like hear all the back of my hair. Oh my god. Oh wow. Like it's so snugged on the back of my head. I haven't cut off the lace in the front here. I'm not gonna do any form of plucking. And it does look a little bit, oh my god. This wig is, alright, so I'm just gonna cut, like, I don't even need to like put glue on it, but I'm still going to secure it. You know how long I've been wanting a wig like this? As you can see from, I know you're still wondering about the title. So the reason why I decided to title the video like this is because usually whenever I decide to get a hairstyle like this, like a shortcut wig, I'd always have to go to the hairdresser. I remember once I went to the hairdresser when it was like for my birthday. You guys know most of the time, like 95% of the time, I do my own hair, but I wanted to be extra. I wanted to feel pampered, and I said, okay, I wanted this, that, but I can't, I'm not able to make a wig like I didn't really know how to make a short wig like that. I still don't know how to make a short wig like that, so I decided to go to the hairdresser, and God, honestly, I wasn't pleased, but I still rocked it. I did it in blonde. I got it in blonde. It wasn't the best, and like getting a wig like this really changes the game, because I could just, you know, get this wig in a like blonde if I want blonde, you know. Like YWigs really switch it up for me. So like for me to get a wig like this, it's just game changer. It's so snugged, as if, like, you know, when you go to the hairdresser, they usually have to make the wig on your head. At least that's how they did it on me. So this is so convenient to be able to just be able to purchase the wig, and that's it. Enough for going to hairdresser, you can apply it yourself. It's just a win-win. So like, just because of this, I'm not going back to the hairdresser. Like, I'm not going back to the hairdresser to get this specific hairstyle. I might end up back at the hairdresser, but I'm not sure for what, but not for this hairstyle. So okay guys, so you saw where I applied the wig with the got to be and everything. Super easy. I didn't even have to necessarily do that. It's just because I want extra security, because I'm gonna be wearing this for a couple of days. This is such a convenient wig, you know, especially if you work out like me and you're always out and about. Summertime is coming, so this is so like convenient, especially if you love shorter hair styles and stuff. So this is really nice. So all I'm gonna do now is kind of just go through it with my hot comb and my flat iron and stuff, kind of just later make it look more presentable, because I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of crazy. It looks crazy right now.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
So that's pretty much it for this wig today. Like guys, if you're looking for a convenient virgin hair wig that's short, this is only 8 inches. I didn't cut off anything off it. You could style it differently, definitely. Like you could pull it back or whatever. I feel like I might try that one day, but if you don't feel like focusing too much on the lace, you kind of just want to slip it on and go, this is a go-to hairstyle. It took me some time, I'm not gonna lie, because I could not figure out which direction I wanted the curls to go in. I feel like I still want to play with it some more because I'm not used to this. It's very convenient and it fits very snugged, as if they made it on my head. I don't know how the whole short wig thing go, like people who wear it a lot, like, you know, say they make it on your head and glue it on with the what 10 piece, I don't remember, some piece here that you buy in the pack. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video guys. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you like this wig. You can go ahead and check it out. I'll put all the specifications on it down below in my description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. Yo, YWigs, big up on yourself. This wig is looking so nice. Like, we don't have much else to tell you. Like, this wig is pretty much straight to the point, is very convenient, and that's it. So just go ahead, give this video a thumb up, and you know, let me know what other look you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. And I'll see you guys in my next video.